ड्रेस कोड नहीं रहेगा तो पूरी तरीके से गंदगी फैल जाएगी। इट विल बी अ काइंड ऑफ कि भगवान की मंदिर, खुदा की मस्जिद विल बी अ पिकनिक स्पॉट। एक पिकनिक स्पॉट हो जाएगी, सिर्फ और सिर्फ वहां सेल्फी ली जाएगी और रील्स बनेगी।
person you are donating somewhere, so God will suddenly call you.
But some people are going temple or mosque for their entertainment purpose. Okay, so they
Temple should not be for entertainment
okay.
purpose.
I know.
They can be free dresses for everyone in the world, like in China, in India, in America, everywhere.
Right, that's great. That's great. All right. Yes, please.
Every religion have their own dress sense. Okay, so in my religion Islam have their own dress sense, like kurta pajama ya jubba. In some time dress code is necessary, because if we go for Hajj, then Hajj ya Umrah, then dress code is necessary.
My question is, if I am a visitor, I want to all worship places, go to all worship places, so how can I manage all dresses?
When you go to
It is a professional life and religious life,
yes,
both
I
are
know
different.
very well that it is.
So today's topic is very, very simple and general. Why? Because we all belong to a community and a religion. We are Muslim, Hindu, Sikh, Isai, आपस में भाई भाई. But we don't call बहन बहन. We call only भाई भाई. Anyway, so this debate has a purpose, and the purpose is what kind of thought you carry with you. When you go to worship, do you believe that in the mandir, masjid, gurudwara, church, there should be a proper uniform? Because sometimes uniform is also very important, because when we don't have uniform, we actually justify other uniforms. And in front of the God, if there is any uniform which is not suitable, so that distracts others. For example, if some girls go in the shorts, so that affects the mentality of the boys. By seeing the God, they don't see the God, they start seeing the girls. Right? What a beautiful girl. They start saying that, right? So they forget the God. They forget the Guru. They forget the Khuda. They forget the Ishwar, the Bhagwan. They forget exactly the Jesus. They start seeing, wow, what a beautiful girl. Wow, what a handsome boy. And multiple things are there in terms of dress code. And dress code, if there is dress code, there is also one more thing. If there is dress code, there may be the problems that if you are going to office, college, school, for study, coaching classes, institution, and if you feel like going to mandir and masjid, you are wearing t-shirt and jeans, you can go there. You can go there anytime, any moment. You come to the Coaching Happiness Institute, you are passing via Akshardham, you feel like, अरे यार चलो अक्षरधाम पे थोड़ा दर्शन कर लेते हैं, तो you can go. जामा मस्जिद से गुजर कर रहे हैं, चलो थोड़ा मगरिब की नमाज अदा कर लेते हैं, you can go to the जामा मस्जिद. और अदर ड्रेस कोड होगा तो आपको पहले जाना पड़ेगा घर, फिर घर से वो कुर्ता पैजामा पहन के आना पड़ेगा, तब तक तो नमाज खत्म हो गई, नमाज खत्म हो गई, पूजा खत्म हो गई. सो दैट इज वाई. लेकिन अगर ड्रेस कोड नहीं रहेगा तो पूरी तरीके से गंदगी फैल जाएगी. इट विल बी अ काइंड ऑफ कि भगवान की मंदिर, खुदा की मस्जिद विल बी अ पिकनिक स्पॉट. एक पिकनिक स्पॉट हो जाएगी, सिर्फ और सिर्फ वहां सेल्फी ली जाएगी और रील्स बनेगी. वहां का मेन काम नहीं होगा. ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, एंड दिस इज स्पॉइलिंग. ये स्पॉइल कर रहा है.
Jai Hind to all of you, first of all. I think according to my perception, there is very necessary in religious place dress code. When we wear any dress code and when we maintain any dress code, then it indicates our discipline and manner also. So if we use dress code in education system and in any profession, then why we should not in religious place? So according to my perception, it is very important to maintain our dress code in religious place also.
Hello sir, my name is Rakesh Kumar and thank you for giving this opportunity. And
Nowadays, if the dress code disappear, then people will stop worshipping God and start doing something else in their own place, making other activities like which is not good and not respectful to the God, like making reels and doing a picnic, eating food in the temple. which is not in my opinion. We should wear dress codes so we would look disciplined, and we will no one will be discriminating each other, because everybody is wearing same dresses. And if we don't wear dresses, if each other would say, you are poor, why are you coming here, during seeing their dress code. So I think we should allow dressing.
So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Faisal Sheikh, and I am the favor of dress code is not important in any religious place. So, my opinion is, if any person can go for any place, then he can want to go to mosque or temple. Then he can go anytime without any restriction. And my point is, if any other religious person want to visit any other religious place, then he can go without any restriction.
And I want to say something. I think dress code shouldn't be, because for example, I came from Jaipur, and if I want to go in Gurdwara, temple, everywhere, so I can't go, because first of all I will have to go my home, and I will have to buy my new dress, so it can't be possible.
Good afternoon. My name is Haknwas. In my opinion, dress code is important for our religious places.
There are free dresses for everyone to wear. The dresses cost can be high and low too.
Yes, right.
The cost can be anything like high yellow.
Yes. And buy dress.
Low price can be like cheap prices. And high prices like non-cheap prices like $1,000.
Yes.
There can be free dresses for everyone in the world, like in China, in India, in America, everywhere.
Right. That's great. All right. Yes, please.
Hello everyone, according to mine, dress code is not important for worship palace. Suppose that if someone is coming direct from office and he will be in mandir.
Every religion have their own dress sense. Okay, so in my religion, Islam, have their own dress sense, like kurta pajama ya jubba. In some time, dress code is necessary, because if we go for Hajj, then Hajj ya Umrah, then dress code is necessary. But in daily life, I think dress code is not necessary, because if I want to pray at night for Tahajjud namaz, then we can pray. So I think dress code is not important.
Person, you are donating somewhere, so God will suddenly call you, and your heart will be say, you should go in temple, you should go in mosque, you should go in church or Gurdwara. It's not important. You should wear that time your dress.
If you buy some things, then you go to market. If you need some medicine, you go to medical store. So if you need to some prayers, and if you need to some अपने लिए कुछ मन्नत मांगना, then you should go to mandir, you should go to temple and mosque. So maintain dress code and go and pray there.
I told Supreme Court, policemen, they are different field. They are not similar of God. You know, God can do everything.
I know all these things, but I want to try. I only try to make you understand. Not I compare to anything. I am not comparing with a Supreme Court or a school and police station. I want to try to make understand you. But
for example, if I came from Jaipur and I want to go in Gurdwara, temple, anywhere, so I will have to go Jaipur again. So I will have to buy my clothes, dress again.
There is available also.
Yeah, it's available, but I will have to wear only I want to go in Gurdwara and other way. So I will have to buy.
So why?
It's a right. And I will go in Gurdwara and any temple.
Dress code, in my opinion, dress code is not important for any place. For any place, if you go there, any institution, any college, any office, you go. You should want to go religious institution. You can also pray. You also pray. Dress code is not compulsory because some concession in the dress code.
But I have seen too many cases in my life. If you want to go in Vaishno Devi and anywhere, you can't go. I have seen in my family. They are not going in too many times, but they are working in good and all life. For example, they are not donating someone. They are giving donation in pets, any animals. So they are going because God is calling them.
We follow our rule of there, so we should follow this rule also. And dress code show our religion.
But someone cannot afford. What will you do?
Rich people donate for poor people.
Yes, sir.
They save money, they can't buy.
But every human cannot donate.
If they can't afford, they go at temple and they do worship. But you can afford, you have to wear.
But
Now you think that dress code uniform
it's not important.
shouldn't required. After some time, you say that worship is not important. You worship from outside and go.
But someone is coming directly from house or college.
Worship time also fixed at temple at morning and evening. Not all time you can't go at temple.
But you anytime you can go in Mando temple.
But time is fixed.
No any time fixed.
Why shoe dress is important in religious place?
Dress are important in religious place to show our discipline and manners.
But without dress, we can also show their discipline, no? Without dress code, we can also show their discipline and respect our religion without dress code. And we can also worship our God without any dress code. So how can you say that dress can only show discipline?
Because if you see, if somebody
Yes.
wears jeans
Yes.
in the temple, would it be respectful?
But some people are going temple or mosque for their entertainment purpose. Okay. So they
Temple should not be for entertainment
okay,
purpose.
I know, but they are going for visiting. All people are not same. Okay.
But at least they should, if they are other people that are not belong, like if people are here to travel, then it's okay for them. But we should at least we should respect our religion. At least if somebody is coming to our temple to explore that what is there, what is the monuments and those, so at least you should know and you should respect to the God as it's your God. Now they won't respect because it's
Respect
not
by their uniform code. No, it is wrong. Respect our God by their heart. Okay. God see your heart, not their see your uniform code. Okay.
Yes, it's true. I didn't like we should have pure heart to go there.
Yes.
But if we don't wear dress code,
Yes.
then people will see you inferior. They will create prejudices that what kind of clothes they have wear and this.
No.
Oh no. Yes.
I tell you no. Those people who say what is wear, those were people heart is not clear. Okay. Every religion people have some people they can say what can wear this, but in my religion you can wear any cloth by the prayer. No one can judge you. Okay.
But you have to still wear it to show, like if you have seen people like do what the devotees of God.
What? Sorry.
Devotees of God.
Okay, they are the responsible. Okay, they are responsible for their this work.
So if you say that,
Suppose-
think that they are the devotees, and would you be seeing them wearing jeans, t-shirt, pants, pajamas,
No. But they are.
doing prayer in their pajamas?
I will tell you now. If sometime those devoting in my religion called imam. Okay, if imam is not present. Okay, any people can be read namaz short jeans done in my religion. Yes.
Okay.
So tell me why dress code is important?
My question is, if I am a visitor, I want to all worship places, go to all worship places. So how can I manage all dresses?
In the whole world there are 4200 religions approx followed by the whole world, and according to me you can't wear any kind of dresses on each and every religion. If you want to visit five religions in a same day, so how could you manage that?
I think that when you go to a school, you see there is a dress code in a school. When you go to
It is a professional life and religious life,
yes,
both
I
are
know very
different.
well that it is professional.
So you
and
can't
I
compare
want to-
professional
I want
life
only
and
try to
religious
make
life
you
as well.
understand. I want to. I try to make you understand only, and I want to give an example only. That if each and every professions there is a dress code required, then why there should not in
What about
religious
those
one?
people who wear kurta pajama or salwar suit when they visit temple, but they clicking pictures and came back to home? What about those people?
No, when we see that history of India, then you found that in India ancient dress it was kurta and dhoti. So I think that each and every person have kurta and dhoti, and it is very simplest dress and very comfortable dress, which should require in when we go to temple and when you go to masjid.
If you talking about ancient times, so girls wear salwar suit or sari, and boys wear kurta pajama and all. But now the
No,
trends
I am
change.
not talking about dress. I am only talking about that each and every person have kurta and dhoti. Kurta and dhoti and kurta and pajama is a very simple dress which is very easily afforded by anyone, any person.
There is no compulsion to wear any dress follow any dress code anywhere and any religion. There is no
But
no compulsion.
you know that dress code also maintain our discipline, provide us a good manner. And if you are not in good manner and you are not in well discipline, then you can't get concentrate well.
I agreed with your point, but what about those people who wear kurta pajama or any traditional dress at the time of religious, when they visit religious place? So they don't do worship, they clicking only pictures and visit for their entertainment purpose, and they never wear
I
sari.
am telling you that
They
same
never
things.
never wear sari kurta pajama in their whole life, but they wear at the time of visiting temple to showing off. What about those?
So I am just telling you these things. If there is no dress code, each and every person go visit in temple in any dress code. When some of girls are going top and half kurti, and
People do?
they get distract.
No, that's wrong point of yours. I also visit mandir and gurdwara as
No,
well.
but if you
Gur-
visit mandir, if you visit temple and you see that priest is there in jeans and t-shirt,
I saw this.
So if you saw this, you feel disgusting. This is not a proper way to
Why I
worship.
feel disgusting? I go there only for worship.
If you
Not
want to,
not
if you
for
want
seeing
to-
not for seeing the priest.
No, but if you want
What
to
he wear,
study,
what they are doing.
if you want to study, then you wear a comfortable dress that make you very comfortable and easy to study. And there is
You
according
say
to
in
dress.
which you are comfortable, you wear those dresses.
Yes.
You are right. If I am comfortable in jeans top, so I will go in jeans top.